Hi, it's Christy from Esketamine Grad Student, here to give a basic overview on how esketamine works. Esketamine is classified as an NMDA receptor antagonist, and it first works by blocking the NMDA receptor. This results in a temporary increase in glutamate, the major excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain. Looking at the graphic here, you'll see a GABA neuron and a glutamatergic neuron. NMDA receptors are located throughout the brain, but here we see it just on the GABA neuron. It's an ionotropic receptor which plays a role in the electrochemical signals which control neurotransmitter release. When esketamine blocks the NMDA receptor on a GABA neuron, the result is decreased GABA release. GABA is the major inhibitory neurotransmitter, so when decreased GABA is released, surrounding neurons become disinhibited. Disinhibited neurons that contain glutamate will then release glutamate into the synapse. All NMDA receptor antagonists work by temporarily changing glutamate release within the brain. Esketamine and ketamine-related agents are unique because they also work on AMPA receptors. AMPA receptors are agonized by postsynaptic glutamate, resulting in a series of changes in protein production downstream. BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor, is a protein that's production is increased with esketamine use. BDNF is a growth factor involved with neuron formation, synapse repair, and development of new pathways in the brain. It's thought to improve the functioning of brain circuits involved in mood, and current research indicates that increased BDNF plays a role in relieving symptoms of depression. To review, the basic mechanism of action of esketamine includes NMDA receptor antagonism, a temporary increase in glutamate, AMPA receptor agonism, and increased BDNF production. These series of events are thought to lead to structural changes in the brain, which may last even after the medication is no longer in the patient's system. In addition to the basic mechanism of action just described, esketamine works on a variety of other factors within the brain. This is a current area of research and is something that's interesting to learn a little more about. I hope that this review was helpful to you, and thanks for joining.